In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email layout in Outlook. If you want your Outlook inbox to feel more organized, easier to read, or simply better suited to the way you work, adjusting the email layout is a great place to start. Outlook gives you several layout options, and once you know where to find them, it only takes a moment to make those changes. To begin, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're on the main mail screen. When you're ready, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings button, and it's where Outlook keeps many of the display and personalization options for your account. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the top right area carefully, because it's usually easy to miss among the other icons. After opening Settings, find and click on Mail. This section contains the options related specifically to how your messages behave and how your inbox is displayed. Entering the Mail section helps narrow down the settings so you're not searching through unrelated account or general preferences. Once you're in the Mail settings, click on Layout. This is the area where you can customize how your email interface appears. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, you may see different layout choices for things like the reading pane, message preview, conversation view, or inbox arrangement. The exact options may vary slightly, but this is the main place where those visual email settings are controlled. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Outlook will guide you through the available layout choices, and you can select the setup that works best for you. As you go through the options, take your time and review each setting before confirming it. Small changes in layout can make a big difference in how quickly you read, sort, and respond to emails. If you're not sure which layout to choose, a helpful tip is to think about how you use your inbox most often. If you read a lot of emails quickly, one layout may feel more efficient. If you prefer a cleaner, less crowded view, another option might work better. You can also go back and change the layout again later, so don't worry about making the perfect choice on the first try. And that's it. Once you've followed the prompts and applied your preferred settings, your Outlook email layout will be updated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make Outlook a little more comfortable and productive to use.